video, this will be the part 1 of how to achieve beautiful skin. Hi everyone, my name is Ron and I'm the mom of Zia of Zia Chin family. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified once we upload a new video. For today, we will be discussing on how to achieve beautiful skin. Today, I'll try my best to speak in English so that there are a lot of audiences that I would like to capture in this video. This is a general topic on how to achieve beautiful skin, and this is a part 1 of this series. So if you could also see, I'm looking down because I have a note in here, right here on my laptop, so I won't be lost in track of the things that I'm trying to discuss. And yeah, let's start now. So why did I choose this topic? First is skincare is one of the topics that I've been meaning to discuss since we started this YouTube channel. This is something that I love, and by the way, just a short introduction, I'm a registered nurse by profession, and one of my dreams is to be a dermatologist. I think ito yung talagang one of my best topics that I can easily relate to because I am somehow really inclined to taking care of my own skin. Previously, I'm also a marketing officer of one of the health and wellness products which cater to selling beauty skincare products and makeups as well. So this is something close to my heart that I've been discussing from the previous years. That's why I opted to share it with you guys. And if you can also observe, I'm trying my best to speak in English, though it's really nosebleed na. But yeah, I'm trying to speak in English because there are other people who are commenting in our channel that are from other nationalities, commenting on how beautiful my skin is. Oh, thank you for that. But yeah, so you're making my nose bleed, huh? So anyway, so much for that introduction. So let's start. So how to achieve beautiful skin. Every time I discuss this topic, I would always go back to saying that there is always an effective skin cycle. Or an effective skincare cycle. So for the first step, that would always go to knowing your skin type. So what is skin type? So how can I personally identify my own skin type without going to a dermatologist, especially now that there's a pandemic that's going on? It's hard for us to go to a skin spa or a skin clinic just for us to actually determine what skin type do we have. And sometimes even going to a skincare spa, the attendants don't even know that, or I mean, not all of them, but some are actually not familiar and would just try to sell you things like you should purchase this one, purchase this one. So yeah, so for me, it always starts with assessing. So if you are in medical field or in medical profession, you know that it's always part of taking care of your patient is for you to assess. Even sa corporate, diba? If you have a problem onto something, you always go to assessment first. So the first step would be knowing your skin type. So for those of you who doesn't know yet how to identify their skin type, I will be sharing it later on this video. Second would be use of skincare products. I'll be showing a slide once in a while, somewhere here or somewhere here or somewhere there, just for you to also take notes of the things that I'm trying to say. So second would be use of skincare products that's suitable for your skin type. So upon identifying your skin type, it would be easier for you to use skincare products that is suitable for your skin type. Because sometimes, let's be honest, if there's something new in the market and you would like to try that even though that's not suitable for you, you just want to buy and just want to try it out. But then again, instead of it costing you, giving you a good result, sometimes it's the other way around. So yeah, it's always important to know your skin type so you would be able to use skincare products that's suitable for your skin type. Next is proper use of skincare products that's suitable for your skin type. So you already know that this is your skin type and that these are the products that's suitable for you, but still, don't be hard-headed na you still purchase those products that's not suitable for you. So you need to properly use the skincare products that's suitable for your skin type. And then for the fourth step would be have a skincare program or regimen to follow. So when you say skincare program or regimen, it's something innate in you and it's something that you follow, something that's personalized for you. You could also ask your dermatologist about this one if there is a specific program for you. So if a dermatologist or an expert already provided you with one, I suggest you stick with that. So these are just additional information for you. So have a skincare program or a regimen to follow. So how is it important? So you know the skincare products, but you know what's suitable for you, but you don't follow it. You don't follow on how to use it. Sometimes this product needs to be used first, and you are so in a hurry that you use the second product first, something like that. So you need to follow the step-by-step process for you to be able to take care of your own skin. And then you need to comply in every circumstances, in everything that you do. You need to do something, a compliance. Like if you don't follow and you just think that after the first usage you will get this beautiful skin, no, that will never happen. Taking care of your skin or having a beautiful skin is it should be long-term goal. You should know how to comply, diba? And then always for the next step would be periodic evaluation of your skincare condition. So what do I mean by that? So every now and then you have to periodically evaluate what is the condition of my skin. Like for me, for example, every time it's summer, my skin tends to be more oilier. And then when it's winter, though there's a winter here in the Philippines, or if it's on Vermont or cold weather, my skin tends to be dry. So you have to evaluate that every now and then. So here's a simple guide. This is my personal tip on how you can identify your skin type without going to the clinic or without splurging so much. So upon waking up, get a tissue, and then you haven't washed your face. Make sure that you haven't washed your face, or you don't have makeup, or you haven't slept with makeup on. That's really bad for your skin. So just grab one and then dump it onto your skin like that. So now I have actually powder on my face. So something like that. You blot your face like this, and then if there's an oil transfer and you feel the oiliness of your skin, then that means that your skin is oily, especially if you have big pores and something like that. But then again, upon waking up, you haven't washed your face, you haven't applied anything on your face, you haven't applied any skincare or makeup, and then you pat this one on your skin, and it's really tight. The feeling is really tight, and then there's no oil transfer. That could possibly your skin is dry. But then there are skincare conditions just like me. My skin condition is that I'm oily on this area, on my forehead, and on this nose bridge. Okay, so that's the T-zone. If that one is oily, and then there are dry patches on your cheeks, or your cheeks tend to be tight, that means you have normal combination skin. So as we age, our skincare type change. So which that one we'll be discussing on the part 2 of this video. Hi, so let's continue with this topic. So what did I mention earlier? What do we need to do? What are those skincare regimen that we need to follow? So just simple steps. First is this is a step, so you need to do it step by step. You should not like do step 4 before doing step number 1. So the first step would be this: cleanse or wash your face. Okay, what do we mean by that? You just simply wash your face with mild soap that is suitable for your skin type. Now that you have identified that this is your skin type, it would be easier for you to buy products out in the market that's suitable. For example, in the label, you can say this is good for oily skin. Now that you know that your skin is oily, you will use that cleanser, diba? If you have identified that you have a mature or dry skin, and then you'll buy something that's good for that. You will not buy something for oily skin, which will cause your skin to be more dry, right? So always make sure that when you buy a specific product right after watching this video is that you will always consider, what is my skin type? What is my skin type? Okay? Second is for you to apply toner or to tone. Toner doesn't mean that you need to like get a cotton and then really, alam niyo yun, yung gigil na gigil. Basta, kayo na mag-translate. There's translator for that. So, be gentle to your skin and always do the upward motion because anything that you pull down will sag. So, personally, what I do with my toner is I don't use cotton anymore. It doesn't mean that, kasi parang perception natin, when we use toner, it will help us wipe those dirt, or some of us would even skip the first step, which is washing our skin. So, mag-skip na sila sa tone. Tone means parang sa muscle natin pag nag-gym, it will just tone our muscle. Or same thing with our skin, it will just tone. Diba? It will not really clean our face. So, always make sure to do step number 1 first before jumping into into applying toner. So, ginagawa ko, I just get a empty bottle, then yung bago kong bilhin toner, just put it there, and then spray lang. Spray, para hindi masayang yung product. Kasi tendency is, if i-apply mo pa siya with cotton, it will just absorb the product, so sayang. And diba yung mga toner ngayon atin, the market, medyo pricey din siya. Next would be, for me, personally, sabi nila is moisturize. But for me, I apply serum first. So, you can also apply essence. So, there are, di ba sa Korean products, there are even 10 steps. What I'm sharing to you is just 4 to 5. So, you could apply a serum or an essence if you want. And then, it's up to you if that is suitable for your skin type. If your skin is really dry and maturing, I really suggest you apply serum. It really, the result is really wonderful. It's really amazing. Ever since before, kasi I just use moisturizer right after I apply toner. But when I use serum, grabe, sobrang effective siya. Next is, that's the time that you apply moisturizer. And then, so moisturizer, konti lang. You don't need to apply, you don't need to apply much. Just get a teaspoon, then 1/4 of that teaspoon, that's enough to cover your face. Because there's some people who will say that I'll apply this much so that I will get instant result. No, it will just be concentrated. It will just be concentrated on your face. It will not, because there is like a specific amount that can be absorbed by the skin. Same with medicines, diba? You don't drink paracetamol 1,500 milligram at once because you want your fever to subside. Same thing with skincare. You don't need to apply that much just to get this result, diba? So next is to protect. You need to apply skin protection, especially when going out, like applying UV protection or sunblock protection. Even though you're not going out, sometimes the light are also harsh for your skin, so you really need to apply something to protect your skin. So those are the tips that I would like to share with you, and then on the next video that I will be uploading, I will be sharing with you some of the products that I use, that I personally use and I could vouch for, so you'll be updated on my skincare products as well. So for now, there will be no products because I'm not selling or trying to upsell something for you, but for those sponsors, they can. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be updated once I upload the part 2 of this video on how to achieve beautiful skin. So much for that. That's it for us today. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you like this kind of video. Bye!